Porsche had many problems with the transfer case on the 958, so much so that they extended the warranty and reimbursed people who paid to replace the case. If you are just starting to experience the slipping and shuddering in your case, you may be able to save it by simply changing the fluid. I recommend changing the fluid and then changing it again 100 miles later and again until it is clear. The case is located on the crossmember behind the transmission. You can change it out either on the ground like I did or with the vehicle safely lifted and supported. Either way, just make sure that the vehicle is level. Begin by placing a catch pan under the transfer case. There are two plugs, the drain plug, red arrow, and the fill plug, blue arrow. Always remove the fill plug first. Use an 8mm hex and remove the plug. The plugs are conical and coated from the factory with a thread sealant. Remove the drain plug and let it drain completely. I feel Porsche's fluid change intervals are far too far apart. The fluid on our vehicle was filthy. You can order new plugs, clean off the sealant on the old ones, and then apply new thread sealant depending on the condition of your plugs. Ours were in great shape and I just reinstalled them with no leaking. Reinstall the fill plug. The cases are made from cast aluminum, and due to the conical nature of the plug, you can crack the case if you over-torque these. Torque them to 12.5 foot-pounds, no more. Make sure you use the right fluid for your year, make, and model, as well as locking or non-locking transfer case. There is as much debate over these fluids as there is over motor oil. Check your manual. Fill the transfer case until the fluid drips out from the fill plug, red arrow. The 2011 to 18 Cayennes with the locking center transfer case, the fluid capacity is 0.78 liters or 0.82 of US quart, and the 2011 to 18 Cayennes with the non-locking center transfer case, the fluid capacity is 0.5 liter or 0.52 of US quart. Reinstall the fill plug and torque to 12.5 pounds. Drive a short distance and check for leaks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.